Next, we're going to study the separator. A separator splits a stream into two, depending on the type of device: extraction, flash, distillation, absorption. The two outlet streams have different compositions. That is, each component is separated differently. Here is the separator. Inlet stream 1, bottom stream 3, overhead stream 2. The separator is defined by specifying a split fraction for each component. The split fraction A is the fraction of the component in the inlet stream that goes out the overhead. Here are some algebraic equations saying the same thing. The inlet has 10 large markers, and the separator takes 20% of them to the overhead stream. So there must be 2 going overhead. The rest are in the bottom stream, and that would be 8. We add 5 small markers to the inlet, and 80% go overhead, so that's 4. Then there must be 1 going to the bottom stream. There are 15 total markers in the inlet. And in the overhead stream, there are 2 plus 4 or 6. In the bottom, there are 8 plus 1 or 9. And the total number of markers in both outlet streams is 15. And that's equal to what comes in.